Hi, Rob here from Eterra, and I'm here with the full range of Typhoon clearing mowers. If you're in the market for a single piece of equipment that can handle all of your land clearing needs, these mowers are by far the most dependable and productive. I'm here with the 74-inch and the 60-inch. We're out in the field today to show what you can accomplish with these extremely powerful clearing mowers.
Thanks, Rob. By working closely with our end users and being operators ourselves, we know how costly limitations can be on big jobs. Continuing our commitment to provide operators with a mower that they can depend on for all circumstances, we've designed the Typhoon clearing mower to excel in multiple applications. Move through acreages of softwoods, saplings, and heavy brush, while only slowing down for hardwood trees greater than 12 inches. You won't have to worry about bending or busting the frame in 1 year's use. We've already tried. Getting the work done fast and affordably is important, but knowing you can do the job time and time again without breakage and downtime, that's priceless. When you purchase a Typhoon, an Eterra made-to-last warranty is the guarantee you'll have to go to work with confidence. Made from structural steel and tubing, with thick supporting gussets in crucial areas, the Typhoon's Ultra Duty frame is backed by our standard and industry-leading 5-year warranty. The Typhoon is as powerful as it is Ultra Duty, which is why we offer additional 5-year extended warranties on our drive system assembly and blade carrier. When you arrive on the job site, you'll know that you've come prepared with the right clearing mower to do the job safely and effectively. Let's discuss some of the performance and design specs guaranteed to an owner of the Typhoon. The 74-inch model weighs 1,800 pounds and the 60-inch weighs 1,400 pounds. Here are some of the requirements to run the Typhoon mower. The Typhoon 74 is high-flow compatible only, with the piston motor upgrade available for maximum cutting power and efficiency. The 60-inch model is compatible with machines featuring a hydraulic flow range between 18 and 40 gallons per minute, and it can just as easily be upgraded to a piston motor. Just two 12-pound forged dual-edge blades provide the edge, while our specialized blade carrier and drive system provide the power to get you through. The direct drive system is rugged, overbuilt, and able to withstand the dynamic loads you'll encounter during heavy mowing operations. The reverse diamond blade carrier design is unique to Eterra, maximizing power and efficiency by making it easier for your machine to speed up the mowing process. Integrated with the entire frame and using only high-grade structural steel, the Typhoon's push bar enables the operator to combine its cutting power with the momentum of the machine to push and clear large material faster than traditional mowers. Imperative to cutting in public areas or around personal property, every Typhoon comes standard with a bolt-on removable front gate. With the gate closed, the Typhoon's cutting capacity is 4 inches. With it removed, the Typhoon can handle up to 10-inch material. Watch as it cuts this 16-inch cedar. A vision-friendly half-inch polycarbonate shield is installed on all Typhoon clearing mowers. This shield protects the operator during operation, while also providing increased visibility of the Typhoon's cutting blades and cut path. Watch more as it cuts down trees and drives over them, mulching them to bits. Superior strength, performance, and durability, plus backed by the industry's most robust warranty. Get more jobs done, and for longer, with the Typhoon clearing mower from Eterra.
Thanks for watching. If you'd like to learn more about the Typhoon clearing mowers, please visit our website, eterra-usa.com.